Hello everyone, off out today. Got to get myself some air shavers because I broke mine. Hair's a mess. And probably get something to eat. So we're just off to B&M. There's our Nat. The scooter's broke, some punches. So can I come out today? And then it's got to be fixed on Monday. So I bought the pump to keep pumping it up, which is a pain. They only come out and serviced it the other day. And I told them you've got a slide punch in it. I can't find it. Now it's flat every 5 minutes. So we're going to have something to eat in a bit. Might go to a little cafe or something, have a bit of brekkie or something. But we'll see what happens. But after B&M to get some air shavers before I do anything else. $8.99 reduced to $5.99. They'll do. Right, we're at a cafe. Never been to this cafe before. It's called the Tasty Cafe. State of my teeth, look. Let me show you. Let me show you the menu before we order. Right then, we're only having something. I just fancy a little breakfast, something over. So, what we've got there, we can see that. Breakfast sandwich wrap, baps and wraps. That's what I fancy. Some bacon and egg or something I fancy. Can't see that, can you? Hold on. Wind. Bacon and egg I'm going to have. Bacon, egg, bap, I think. Yeah, beans on toast and that now. Scrambled egg. Nat might want a scrambled egg. I don't know what Nat's having. What are you having, Bab?
I'm having sausage bap, yeah.
Sausage bap. You're having a sausage bap?
Yeah, please.
I'm going to have a bacon and egg bap, I think.
Sausage bap.
Yeah. Do all day breakfast. Nah, I don't fancy something like that.
No.
Quarter pounder. Jacket spuds.
Sandwiches on the back.
And sandwiches. I ain't got my glasses on properly, so. Freshly prepared. Nah, I don't fancy sandwich. I fancy a bacon and egg. Yeah, I'm going to have bacon and egg. How much are them? Show you the prices. Bacon and egg, £4.20 is that, I think? £4.20. What are you having? And that's having a sausage wrap. There it is, look, Tasty Cat. So we're going to get them then. Well, I ordered it. Very polite, very pleasant they were. Welcomed me, welcome. Glad you come and tried us, I said. So we're going to bring it all out. Could have went inside, the cafe inside, but we're sitting outside. It's easier to vlog, ain't it? Yeah. I had bacon and egg, and that's got sausage bap. 2 cappuccinos, £12.10. About the going price, ain't it now, I suppose. But I'll show you when it comes. Cappuccinos have come, look quite nice. Big chocolate sprinkles on top, a couple of sugars. I only have sweeteners, but I got sugar instead by mistake, but never mind. Right, we've got the cappuccino expert, I'm Matt, she's dropping everything on the floor. So, you're going to have a taste, ain't you? Let's have a look. It's getting on the nerves, isn't it?
It's going in my mouth.
I bought some air shavers so I can get rid of it if you want me to. Yeah, I know, yeah. Hey, they're growing back now. Look, growing. They're back. Hey. Give your opinion then, Bab.
Yeah, it's nice.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
The cups are boiling hot, aren't they?
Yeah, the cups are nice and warm.
Yeah. Is it nice, yeah? Yeah. Really hot, aren't they, the cups?
Yeah, they're nice. It's nice actually.
Yeah? Good.
Give it about a 7.
Out of 10?
Yeah, give it about
Ooh,
7.
that's a big score.
I know I'm not my coffee's a little coffee.
Yeah.
It's nice, isn't it?
Oh yeah, that is nice. That is nice. That's better than Greg's. I didn't look what the price was. I'll have to look again in a minute. They've took the menu. You've seen the menu anyway. I remember I showed the cappuccinos the price. I didn't look. I'll give them the menus back to blown away, but never mind. Show you when the food comes. We've got a fish man over next to us. See him over there. Let's go and have a look while my food's cooking.
He's got the trout, isn't there? He calls it trout.
God, I haven't had a roast for ages, man. Oh, sorry, sweetheart, Bab. Breast cap. Ooh. Crabs. How much are them jelly deals, mate? How much are them? I'll have a packet of them, please. One of them, mate, please. You asked me to do it one day, so I'm going to do it. Right, got my jelly deals. You asked me to try it. I found somewhere where I can get them. I've got them. £4.50. I'll do that on a video. In the meantime, food's here. First impressions. They're quite big, aren't they? There's mine. Bacon and egg. That's got sausage. Got the runny oak. Nice crispy bacon there. Oh yes, let's tuck in. That's going to be common. Get it down your gob. Get it down there, bab. Lend me your two so I can eat mine. What's it like? Is it nice? Yeah, fresh. You had sauce.
Yeah, that's some sauce.
There's loads of sauces there, look. Right, I'm going to have a crack of mine. Put you like there. It's about as high as I can get you. I'm on the edge, so. I know it's all going to go down my top. I know 100%. I'm missing brown sauce.
Sorry.
Can't see nothing about my glasses. Can't see nothing that brown, yeah?
Yeah. Put your glasses on.
No, these aren't my reading glasses, are they? These are my other ones.
Just two there. Just whip it. Whip it easy.
But, did I?
No, not that way. It's so okay.
Oh, yeah. Brown sauce. It's about how I like my eggs. I don't like my eggs too runny. You like your eggs really runny, don't you? You do?
Yeah, I love my eggs.
Yeah.
But I only like one.
I'm more of quite a bit of a semi. What are you laughing at? Laughing at me. I think I've definitely come here again. I don't know why I've never been here. Just not one of them things where you just make your own bacon and egg or something. That's really nice. For bacon and egg sandwich.
The sauce is nice as well.
That sauce is nice. It is nice, isn't it?
There's some sauces you can get and they're just really.
I mean, it says brown sauce Lichfield, so I don't know where it's made, whether it is made round here. But it is nice, isn't it, that?
Do you reckon it's someone's homemade sauce?
It might be. It might be.
It's got Lichfield on it, so.
It might be.
Doesn't sound of.
Oh, yeah. Produced in the UK, in Lichfield, says there at the bottom. You can see it.
Oh, yeah.
Produced in Lichfield.
Homemade stuff.
Nice, that.
Really nice.
Well, I'm going to go and eat it now. That is nice. That sausage nice. They're probably Packington sausages up the road.
Is it there, you know?
Packington sausage are bang on.
The big farm.
The big farm. I'll take you there one day. To the shop and that. I used to be able to go in, I don't know if you can anymore, I'll have to have a look. It's all that, got it right down my neck. Really enjoyed it as well. Definitely coming here again. Yeah, all gone. And my coffee, right enjoyed that. I'll definitely come here again. And that's about to finish, a last bite. No, maybe another bite to get it in there. Yum yum. That coffee was really nice, wasn't it? It was very nice. And I've also got my jelly deals, which I'm going to do that tomorrow. on tomorrow's video. I could show you actually. No, and that's set of food because she hates fish. So I didn't want to get it out while she's eating. I'm not going to open it up obviously, but I'll show you. Let me show you. Let's get it out. Fresh jelly deals. Ugh, never had them. Look. There they are, look. Yeah, well, obviously, because they sell it, don't they? Well known in London years ago. Don't know if it's still a thing in London, I ain't got a clue. Yeah. So that's coming soon. Flat tire. Pump it up. Right, we're at our local Aldi, and that's just popped across the road to get a prescription from the doctor. So that'll be about it for today. Yeah, I'll definitely go to that Tasty Cafe again. Really nice, enjoyed it. Very pleasant. People were lovely. So until the next time, which I'm going to do the jelly deals next. So wish me luck. Till then, each comes. And she is. Say bye, Bab. What was your final thoughts on that food? What was your final thoughts on that calf? You there? You like it?
Nice and fresh.
Yeah?
I'll go back there again.
Yeah? Yeah. And me. Yeah. Yeah. So say bye. Till the next time. It's a bit dull there, isn't it? See you later.